Sup, my friends? This is John Baruti from Baruti Success. How are you this week? I am excited to bring you this topic. 5 reasons why you should be excited about a recession or a bear market. Stay tuned. All right. So, why should you be excited about a recession or a bear market? I don't know, John. Are you going to tell us? Yes, Karen, I'm going to tell you. First of all, let's talk about bear market and recession, all right? So when the common sense man hears that, he says to himself or to herself and says, let me get the hell out of this market. That can't be good. So you think to yourself, well, I think John told me not to do that. Yeah, that would be correct. Don't do it. Why? I'm going to tell you, I've been telling you this every video. You don't sell. You just keep buying. Well, I know that, John.
I know, but what are we supposed to do?
Well, Kevin, what you're supposed to do is what I tell you to do. Invest every week. And I know you're getting bored of hearing that, so I'm going to move it along. All right? So let's talk about it, right? Traditionally, and common sense tells you that when you hear that, you run for the hills. That would be one of the stupidest things that you ever did, is sell all your stuff. If any of you follow Meet Kevin, I'm not calling Kevin stupid because he is not in any way, shape, or form. But Kevin has gotten to the point of being a trader. Not trader, like a trader of the United States, like a trader, he trades. And to be honest with you, I think a lot of people, they get excited about the stock market. They get excited about investing. They want to do more. They want to make it faster. They want to make it more sexy. They want to make it, make me money now, faster. And they can get into that trader mentality. And that's not good. I know Kevin amassed millions of dollars doing what he did, but, becoming a trader, let's get back to us, becoming a trader is not the way to make money. You can do 9,000 Google searches and it will tell you, trading the stock market is not the way to win. You will lose 99% of the time, right? The average investor, professional investor, loses money 99% of the time. Of course, you see all day long TV shows and commercials, how they make so much money for everybody. But the reality is they don't do that year, after 10 years, after 20 years, after 30 years. They might do it for a couple of years. One of the only tried and true ways to make money, recession, depression, exciting times, times that are bound like they've been for the last 20 years, the best way is to continually put money in the market, to dollar cost average in, okay? So, the question is that, so we should do that in not inflation, that's a whole nother video, in a recession or a bear market? Yes. Hey, John, are we in a recession or a bear market? No. No, Sally, we're not. Karen, I'd love to tell you we are, but we're not. So let's talk about what they are. A bear market is when the market, it's basically what it sounds like, a bear market. So when the market goes down from its peak, basically 20% for a sustained amount of time. And what does that mean? So the markets, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, all these indexes, when they go off of their high 20% for a sustained amount of time, you're in a bear market. We are not. Okay? We have decreased. We are on a weirdish downward spiral, but we are not in a bear market. So if we're not in a bear market, are we in a recession, John? No. What is a recession? A recession is 2 quarters, right? Basically 8 months. There's 4 quarters to a year, right? So 8 months of a declining GDP, gross domestic product. So basically we are not in a recession. We are not in a bear market, okay? Why am I making this video then? Because I truly believe we are going towards that, especially with the Ukraine/Russia war going on. That's not good, nor fun, nor great for the rest of the world, right? So I believe that we could possibly go into a bear market. We could possibly go into a recession. And the biggest reason I think we can go into a recession is, so we are at, what, 7% inflation? And it has been over the time, since 1869, every time our economy has hit 5% in inflation, we have gone into a recession, okay? Every time except for once since 1869. I'm going with those odds that we're probably going to go in a recession then. That's my guess. Maybe not, but let's prepare for it, okay? So what I wanted to hop on here is to tell you, don't get crazy. Don't sell everything. That's bad. Buy stuff. Look for good deals. That's good, okay? So basically, in those time frames, every time that we've had a recession for all those years, each individual recession, 50% of the time the stock market has gone up, and 50% of the time the stock market has gone down. So what does that tell you? It tells you have a 50-50 chance, you might as well go to Atlantic City or Vegas to get it right. So the best thing to do is just keep investing during it. Do not sell. Don't sell, okay? Especially if you're getting close to your retirement. You might get scared. You're like, let me get out. No. Keep in there. If you want to sell some of your assets in order to live, I get it. But do not start willy-nilly, having a house sale because you think a recession or a bear market is coming. Because the chances are, right, let's take this war for example, right? So the war, we were talking about it for weeks, and everybody's been getting crazy and sad, and the stock market's been going down, going up, going down. So now we're in the war. Now, amazingly, the stock market has some days gone up really high, and some days have gone down, okay? So this is what you have to expect. A lot of highs and a lot of lows. The good part here, and I'm going to get to it, because the whole point of this video was 5 reasons to be happy about or excited about a bear market or a recession. And I'm going to give you those. And the first one to be ecstatic about is that you get so much more for your money. What does that mean, John? What does it mean? Well, George, let's say you wanted to buy a great stock a couple months ago, VOO, which is an ETF, one I promote all the time. Google, great stuff. Target, good stuff. Costco, terrific stuff. Months ago, if any of you remember, right, that stuff was flying super duper high, okay? Not good. Didn't want to buy it back then. Now that we have the stock market has come down, again, not in a bear market, but it's come down to realistic numbers, I can buy that stuff. That being said, I've bought all the way through. So I'm buying at the high, I'm buying as it goes down, I'm buying at the lows, and I'm going to continue to buy. That's what I'm trying to express to you. Okay? That being said, you can buy this stuff at a discount during a recession or a bear market, which is terrific. I'm sorry that my eyes are going all over the place. I have my notes and I have to follow. Okay? So, number 1, you get so much more money you get so much more bang for your money, okay? Number 2, it gives you a great opportunity when anyone is running for the hills to clean up, okay? So basically, when everybody is running for the hills, you are calm because you're listening and you're looking for the best stocks to buy and you're going and hand picking them, right? So this is a perfect opportunity to relax, look at the stock market, look at things you love. Now, I've always said the best and easiest way, keep investing in VOO. It's an ETF, S&P 500, it's what you should do. But that being said, maybe you want to venture out and maybe you want to start investing in some individual stocks. Like I said, Costco, Target, Google, Amazon, all great. Facebook took a hit. I believe in Facebook. So, I would have bought at the dip. Actually, I did buy at the dip, okay? So these are all great reasons that we're excited about that bear market and the recession possibly coming, right? Also, number 3, the crap goes away in a bear market / recession. Only the strong survive. So, you're worried about investing in something that is going to crash. Well, let me tell you something, George. In a recession / bear market, all the poop tends to go away. This is a perfect opportunity also for crypto. When the crypto market hits a winter, I don't know if it's going to, but it could in a recession / bear market, a lot of the alternative coins will go away. I apologize if you invested or if I invested in them, but you know what? The cream rises to the top. So now, again, we have Ethereum, we have Bitcoin, we have Mana, which I like, we have Salerno, right? We have some great coins that you know are for the long haul, and you can keep investing in those, all right? Number 4, it allows you to breathe. In a hot bull market like we've been in for so long, there's no time to breathe, my friends. Oh, I gotta buy this. I gotta get it before it goes. No, it's like the housing market. I gotta buy a house. I gotta get a house. They're going up $10,000 a week. That's a tough market to invest in, right? During a recession and bear market, even if the stock market isn't on a downward spiral, it has a tendency to level out. Again, a great time to look back, to do some research, to invest in some great positive stocks, good balance sheets, a lot of cash. Those are the companies you want to look at. Again, Costco. This is not advice, financial advice. This is just what I do. Costco, Target, VOO. Gotta love it. Amazon, Google, good stuff. These people have, and this is in billions of dollars on their books in cash, okay? That's what you look for. So it gives you time to breathe, number 4. Number 5, and the one you've been waiting for, all right, maybe you haven't been waiting for, the newbies go away. John, what does that mean?
I'm so sorry. I don't want them. I don't want them to go away. I like them. They watch my channel.
But we're happy. And why are we happy? Because when the newbies get washed away, again, the market steadies. When you have every Tom, Dick, Harry, and Sally trading and buying stuff on their little phones every day, meme stocks, crazy things going up 100, down 200, that's not good. It's not good for the stock market. It's not good for your investments. It's not good for your future, okay? So when we flush those people out, which they always get flushed out in a recession or in a bear market, then again, don't mean to be a broken record, but things are steady and you can invest in the stock market. And listen, invest in the stock market every week, no matter what. Even if it's crazy, even if it's going down, that's the way to win. But at least it gives you a course to breathe, right? So again, you step out from VOO and you look at these other individual stocks. You might look into some cryptocurrency, start buying up some small amounts of cryptocurrency, right? I have nothing against that. I don't want you to make your whole portfolio that. And you know, you could also look at some stocks that are, you know, a little bit more risky, because the ones that are super risky tend to get washed out, right? So you can look at some of the stocks during this time and say, okay, well, you know, this didn't go down 30, 40, 60%. This stock seems like, you know, it could stick around for a while. Put a little bit of money into that and just keep going, okay? So these are the 5 reasons to be able to invest or to stay invested in a recession / bear market. So I believe that as long as you keep steady investing every week for the next 10, 20, 30 years, you will find that you will be so happy. Don't worry about these markets, recession, bear market, positive things, going to the moon. Don't worry about any of it. Just invest every week. It's simple. It's easy breezy. I know it's not sexy. I know you want to make money a lot faster. And believe me, as your portfolio grows, it will compound and you'll make a ton more money. So I hope this gave you a little bit of value. I hope you listen and you don't, sell everything during the next recession/bear market. And I'll see you on the next one.
How should we end this one, John? Should we just end it? Possibly. That's no fun. I like doing funny stuff. But for some reason tonight, I'm all out of funny. Well, that's the end of that. We'll see you on the next one.